Got back with another POV. Got the Lexus and the Challenger out. I'm driving the Lexus right now. I got my little brother driving my Lexus. I'm in the Challenger. Damn, I fucked it up. Little brother driving the Lexus right there. I messed that all the way up. Before we get into anything too deep, gotta get some gas. Both cars on half a tank. We need it on full. So we stop by the gas station, make a little pit stop. Lexus right there. IS300 and the Challenger on the road at the same time. Let's see if he get on the side of me. You gonna get on the side of him? There you go. Pop. Oh shit, do pop. You like that? Yeah. I did good with this. So big. It's so good. Now I gotta do a pull-up challenge. Just something slight. Damn, this car sound good as fuck. But hey, it may be a V6. For right now, till the engine gets swapped, I'm fucking with it. But then the inline 6, boy, that shit sound amazing. That shit sound amazing. I just gotta fit that exhaust, that rear with a placement head. Once I fit that, we straight. That bit do sound louder though. Which one you think sound louder, Lexus or the Challenger? Shit making me happy as fuck. Some people ain't gonna like it, but guess what? This shit ain't for y'all, it's for me. And for the people who do like it. So if you don't like the way this Lexus IS300 sound, this inline 6 and the V6 sound, oh well, go watch another video, my boy, cause it just ain't for you. That's all I gotta say. It's only for the people who like it. If you don't like it, kudos. Y'all be complaining about it for no reason. You don't gotta watch the video, my boy, if you don't like the exhaust. Get some pulls in of our own with the Lexus. Here we go, Justin. Woo! 2JZ! You don't even know what that is. 2JZ power! I manual swap this, and I have to get a GoPro, so I don't gotta keep holding my phone. Challenger back there, Challenger in the back, and my phone, my hand wobbling. What? All right, then after this, we gonna do like a little rev matter. Rev matter. Don't follow my word. I'm gonna like a little rev battle. We're gonna do like a little rev battle. The inline 6 versus the V6. So, and just basically like show the different sound in between the cars and which one y'all may think sound better. Some people probably gonna say inline 6, but who knows? And we'll get to that. I drive that shit every day. What's that? My car popping like that? Damn! I drive it every day and don't know it sound like that. Bro, that is crazy. That shit sound like it got a burble tone.